So basically right here, I'm gonna make some real authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Alright, I got roughly about 1, 2, 3 cups of water. Some cornmeal at 1, 2, 3, 4 large tablespoons of cornmeal. In this container I have half cups of coconut milk. I'm gonna pour it in the cornmeal. Give it a lovely mix. The cornmeal and the coconut milk together. What you can do is just add a little bit of water to it. I'm using water from the kettle. Mix it really well. In the meantime, the water is boiling in the pot. But please do not do it while I'm doing it right here. Just because of safety, you don't want to do that. Just want to mix it really well. Now, pour this in the pot. Take a look at time and whisk it. It's gonna get really thick. See, it's starting to get thick. Really thick. This is a real authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Look at that. So we want this to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Turn on the stove a little bit. So I just leave it, take it up off the stove because of the heat. I don't want it to burn. That is perfect. Look at it. Amazing. Now I'm just gonna let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Medium size heat is very good for it. cooking this over the last 15 minutes now. Okay, so that look nice. That's the way you want your porridge to look. Now, I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder, that's a little bit. A little bit of mixed spice. A little bit of Jamaican nutmeg. Give it a whisk. Look at that. Jamaican banana. A little bit of sea salt. Now we're going to add some sweet condensed milk, hot and taste as it goes along. So that look nice. Real authentic Jamaican porridge. So what you want to do, taste it, just to make sure. This is proper delicious. Not too sweet, not too much salt. Spice is right. Yeah. So we give it another about 5 to 10 minutes, 5 more minutes, then we share it up. Enjoy it. It's a beautiful one, guys. Nice one. That looking nice. So we're going to shear it up now, guys. All right, as you can see for yourself, turn off the stove. The porridge is ready. Nice one, guys. So basically, as you can see it for yourself, amazing porridge. All right, now what we're going to do is simple. Share up this beautiful and amazing porridge we just made. Look at this. Nice one. Alright. This is just fantastic and amazing. Look at this. This is lovely. Alright. That's exactly what you want to do. Some Jamaican crackers. Wow, fantastic, nice and lovely. All right, so yeah, rain or fall, this is exactly what you want to do at home right now. Make some lovely, authentic Jamaican porridge like this. All right, amazing recipe, guys. Fantastic, lovely, and nice. All right, yeah, man. A little bit take it off and that, you know. So you go in the kitchen when you have good recipe. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen.